Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to my channel. We have some brand new, super sweet behind the scenes leaks from the set of the upcoming C-drama entitled Be With Me. Shen Yu and Sang Wan Yi were spotted filming a late-night bench scene and the romantic cozy vibes are already off the charts. Let's look closer at these new videos because their natural chemistry is giving fans major butterflies. So in this video, you can see them sitting together with takeaway food boxes on the bench. While Shenyu is casually sipping her drink, Sang Wanyi reaches all the way over to playfully tease her with a chopstick right at her chin. He is looking at her intently, and it creates this incredibly natural domestic couple dynamic that feels like it is straight out of a romantic webtoon. But wait, it gets even cuter. In the next moments shown in the video, the camera setup changes slightly. Sang Wanyi picks up his own cup and lifts it up as if offering it to her, staring or starting a mini toast. Then they are both holding matching cups, turning toward each other and sharing a sweet synchronized drink together. The height difference and their coordinated white outfits make them look absolutely picture perfect. Fandom spaces are already loving how comfortable they are, seem around each other between takes. From the playful feeding gestures to sharing matching drinks, their visual pairing for Be With Me is proving to be a massive hit even before the official trailers drop. So are you guys excited for Shenyu and Sangwanyi's pairing as I am? Let me know your thoughts below. Take care, bye!